A very good evening, everyone. Hope you all are safe at your homes in this pandemic and doing well in your domains. So, I, Nayan Agarwal, is here to show the working of my project, COVID vaccine slot booking. As I have analyzed in these 2-3 days that many of the people are facing slot booking issues, as they missed the slots just because of delay in booking, or they couldn't get to know when the slots are available and when to book. So to avoid last minute hustle, now I have solution for them, as my project is based on this issue only. So now let's start the working of project without any delay. The first step is to get registered on the COVID portal of the government. Just visit at COVID portal. Covid.gov.in is the official portal of the government for the slot booking of the vaccination. Get registered, click on register and input your mobile number, get OTP. Six seven two 890. Very good. As you all can see that I am already registered on this portal, so it haven't asked me for any ID proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, voter ID, etc. If in case you are new on this portal, then you will be asked for any of the ID like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, etc. and date of birth. As my younger brother Ayush Agarwal and I am registered on this portal. You can also add any of your family member on this portal, but there is limit of 4 including you. Only 4 members can be added including you. So this was the first step to get registered on this portal for the vaccination. Now I am moving to my project. So these are 3 files of Python. This can be combined in one single file, but to avoid errors while running, I separated these 3. These 3 are modules, different modules. Now I have already installed all the setup files. Now I am directly running the project without any delay. Giving the path of my file Python src COVID vaccine slot booking .python. See, my file has started running, asking for the registered mobile on COVID portal. Now OTP 181952. So now here it is asking that for how many persons the slots to be booked. I would request you to remember this line, as it has a great importance in this project. You can say that it is the advantage of this project. I will be telling in end what is the advantage of this line. So for instance, I am taking that the vaccination is to be done for myself, so I am choosing index number 2. Now it is asking that the center to be searched by pin code or state, district. So my choice will be second. Uttar Pradesh is at 35. Now city is to be chosen, so Kanpur Nagar would be at 43. Yes, 43. Then 43. Yes, now filter out centers with availability less than. So it is asking that if there is availability of at least one slot. If I enter 1, then if there will be at least one slot available in Kanpur Nagar in any of the center, then it will be booked automatically. If I enter 2, then if there will be at least 2 slots available in any of the centers of the Kanpur Nagar, then it will be booked automatically, else it will not be booked. So for instance, I am entering 1 as I want vaccination for myself only. Now this is the main part. It is asking for the time duration for which the request is to be made to CoWIN portal. For example, if I enter 10, then at every 10 seconds the request will be made to CoWIN portal and scan would take place in Kanpur Nagar at every center for the slot booking. If I enter, for example, if I am entering 5, then at every 5 seconds scanning would be taking place at every center of Kanpur Nagar for the availability of the slot. Now I am pressing enter. So for today I am entering 1. It can be scheduled tomorrow also, but I am so for today 1. So now it is asking that vaccination should be paid or free. So for my choice it is free. Enable auto booking, yes. Yes, file is to be saved for future. Now if the given info is correct, then you can proceed further by giving input Y. Else you have to input N and enter the details again. So Y. So now you can see that the procedure has been started. At every 5 seconds it is scanning all the centers available in Kanpur for the slot booking. If it finds the availability, then my slot will be booked automatically. This procedure would take around 10 to 11 minutes to get finished. So wait and watch. This is the live working of this project. There is no pause or skip, so have patience and watch. The result would be in front of you. You can run this script in prime hours like morning between 10 to 12 or evening 5 to 7, when the slots for the centers are opened for the booking. This avoids the several visits to the CoWIN portal for the booking of the slots. In this one time the script is to be run, and if there is the availability of slot, then it will be booked automatically. In last, this beep indicates that there is no slot available at any of the center in Kanpur Nagar for vaccination. In case if there would be any slot available, then it would be displayed in this command prompt and your slot would be booked automatically. Now it is asking me to retry or exit. So now I am exiting it as there is no slot available this time. So N, I am entering N, press N. So now I have exited. In case if the procedure stops or interrupts, so retry logging in as CoWIN portal automatically logs out your account after 15 minutes for security reasons. So try logging in again and try this procedure, and I am pretty sure that if you run 4 to 5 times in the prime hours, like in morning between 10 to 12 when the slots are open for the booking, then I think you would get the booking of the slot with this procedure. And in case if you haven't get any slot and you want to retry, then just go to command prompt, and you don't have to enter all the details as all the details have been saved. Just enter the path, OTP. See, this is asking that the previous details which I have entered, to continue with that details or I should continue with the new detail. So for new details you should enter N, and for the previous details which are saved, for that yes. And previously I told you that remember that one line that it is asking for the number of members to get vaccinated. If there is more than one, then it has to be separated by comma. It was written that time, I haven't paid attention and closed that command prompt. So the basic difference is that in this you can book the slot for more than 1% for more than 1% at the same time, but at CoWIN portal you are required to book the slot for each and every person separately. For my younger brother I have to book separately, and for myself I have to book separately, and through my command prompt I can book for more than one at the same time. This is only the advantage of my project, and this also avoids the several visits to the CoWIN portal and checking again and again. So now I can proceed with the same info, and after every 5 seconds, like previously I saved, it will be starting its procedure and it would carry on, and it would again take 10 to 11 minutes. You have to wait. If there would be any availability of slot, you would see on the screen. So now I am exiting it. Your all suggestions and comments are welcomed. So meet you all in next project. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.